Their favorite thing to do. Watch the birdies. Like a morning little thing they do. They're trying to lure them in from the bushes. I think the birds have kind of figured out that they can't get to them. And then, of course, as soon as I start filming, the birdies all disappear. The birdies are back. Look at Macy's tail. She's so excited. She's only one, so she gets really excited. Sister's 6, and she recognizes that if she wants to see the birdies, she kind of has to be still and just sit there. Macy's not quite convinced that they can't get them birdies somehow. Macy, is that your friend? Macy, oh, there he goes. You guys are so silly.